Happy Halloween, everybody. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Wait a sec. I think I'm missing something. How am I supposed to do the weather when I don't even have a hand to point to anything? Okay, I guess I could use my head. The wind kicks up today. It's going to spike in gusts during the evening. Can I at least have an arm back? Little ghost or goblin that stole my body? Just for this. Thank you. Just for this weathercast, I can have an arm and a head. I think that's fine. Hey, dress in layers this evening. Secure your outdoor decorations. It is going to be windy, and that wind is going to peak this evening. Leaves are going to be blowing around. Some weakened branches or limbs may come down, so some isolated pockets of outages or damage may occur as well. Wraparound moisture means a few showers redevelop as well. Even though many of us are drying out, there will be some wraparound moisture that comes into the play that we'll take a look at in a second. A lot of kiddos may be wearing their costumes to school today. So if not, hoodie, long sleeve, or a jacket. Otherwise, we're going to be in the 50s this morning, so relatively mild and staying in the 50s all day with a couple of showers here in northern New England. And then notice clouds build back in, and there'll be a couple of showers possible. Cape Cod, western Vermont, western Massachusetts, trick-or-treating hours, particularly in northern Vermont over the course of the evening hours. So just keep that in the back of your mind. There may be one or two showers that come east during trick-or-treating hours, and it would be a quick sprinkle. It's not going to ruin the evening, but I just don't want you to be caught off guard if there are a couple more raindrops that are out there. Just this floating arm. Okay, let's talk wind. This morning, strongest 40 to 45 miles per hour in central and eastern Maine. For the rest of us, it's 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts through early afternoon out of the west-southwest. There is that wind, but here's the thing. Watch as I play things through during the evening. We get this little burst that comes in, particularly for the southern half of New England during trick-or-treating hours, where the wind may gust 40 to isolated 50 miles per hour. So that is strong enough for a burst of some isolated pockets of damage. Isolated gusts to 50 on Cape Cod as well. Again, generally in the southern half of New England, and then the wind will gradually ease overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, there may still be some gusts, 30 to 35 miles per hour, and then the wind eases after that. High temperatures, either side of about 60 degrees for the day today. And then the wind chill factor for the kiddos for the evening trick-or-treating hours will be coldest through the interior, running in the 20s and 30s. So that's what you want to dress for. North and west of Boston, even by the tail end of trick-or-treating, it'll feel like it's around 40 degrees. Takes a little bit longer for that chill to come in for the far south coast, but it's going to be windy across the board. Overnight tonight, 30s north, 40s south, with that wind staying active, varying amounts of clouds, and a couple of snow showers mixing in the mountains of New England. Free 5-star weather app. You can track it all, the 14-day forecast. We want to see your costumes too. The Send to Us tab, the bottom right. You can send the pictures in. We'd love to see them and feature them on our community gallery page. And we want to give a shout out to the Ghouls and Goblins, the first graders at the Glover Elementary School in Marblehead, Massachusetts. Had a great visit with these kiddos yesterday. They were fantastic, had awesome questions, were really inquisitive, and that's what it's all about, right? So if you would like an enrichment program for your school, reach out to us, contact@onedegreeoutside.com, or you can just go to schools.onedegreeoutside.com for more information. Happy Halloween, everybody. Be safe out there.